dear colleagues, dear friends. It is a very special privilege indeed to welcome all of you here as the co-director of the new Neurotoxin Institute at Tongji-Universität Medical Center. This is a truly great moment. A great moment for our project, a great moment for Tongji-Universität Medical School, a great moment for Shanghai and the area, and even for Chinese medicine, I truly believe. And if I may say so, of course, it's also for me personally a very great moment. The more I'm very sad that today I can't be amongst you in person due to the Corona pandemic, but I hope that we will have in the future soon. Today, all of you are taking part in the inauguration of a very special and absolutely unique project. And first, I would like to share with you what has happened so far, how this project was developed over time. First, of course, everything starts with an idea. So how was this idea developed? The idea came really from the friendship and collaboration between Professor Ling Jin and us here at Hannover Medical School. As you may know, Professor Jin many years ago has been a postgraduate doctorate student at our institution. And through that connection, we got in touch and we soon realized that we have a common understanding of things. And then very soon in the course of our various brainstorming meetings, we developed the idea to set up something special for botulinumtoxin research. So that was in 2017. Then things actually took speed very rapidly. Given the complexity of such a project, already then in the next year, in 2018, there was a memorandum of understanding. So all this happened in the course of the third Chinese botulinumtoxin forum, which took place at that time in Lanzhou, Gansu province. Here you see some photos. It was an absolutely marvelous congress, very well attended, very well organized, with an absolutely superb scientific program. And in the connection with this congress, being at the site where the Lanzhou Institute of Biological Products is based, we got in touch with President Wu, and due to the preparations of Professor Jin, we sat together and we outlined the idea of this current project. And at the end of several days of discussion, we joined hands, as you can see, and we decided to go ahead with this project. And so that was really a major step forward in this project. And then soon later, the project got more speed even. We actually already started on an academic level our cooperation, and that was here really the great initiative of Dr. Li Shenpan. She joined us, she came over and was here our guest for 2 years in order for her to prepare, similar as what Professor Jin has done, a postgraduate doctorate program. And she has finished that at the moment. There was, of course, some delay even here for our side, because, of course, her travel here and back and forth was interrupted. but I'm very pleased to say that she made the project. She got her doctoral degree, and those are some memories, not actually from her work, as you can see, but from all the many activities we also did during her time here in Germany. That is actually our countryside place, and we really had, apart from all the scientific challenges and fruits we also had a great time. So you saw that the project went through several stages, and we are at the moment here where we have now the structure at hand. When we have formed the entity, we have formed the concept, we have the approval, we have the money from our sponsors, and this is actually the mission we want to follow. I read it to you: to develop a worldwide unique neurotoxin research center. Really unique, because there is no such activity in this close collaboration between clinical research, between teaching and basic research. So this is an absolutely unique project. And this research center is there to serve Tongji-University Medical School, of course. So we believe that Tongji-University School, Medical School, will benefit to a great deal from this international activity, this high-class scientific activity. But we want to reach beyond the university. We want to reach beyond Shanghai and its region. We want to train all botulinumtoxin users in China. We want to reach out. We have been in the past already a partner in organizing the botulinumtoxin meetings in China. We will do so in the future. We will intensify our collaboration. We will invite researchers to our place to see how we are running things. We will develop material, teaching material, training material, and so forth. With this, we want to improve the treatment of Chinese patients. You know that the botulinumtoxin therapy is a absolutely important treatment for many kinds of patients, predominantly dystonia patients, spasticity patients, but we foresee a potential also in other indication groups. But even for the existing groups, this therapy is absolutely crucial, because in most cases, there are no alternative treatment options available. And of course, and that is also very important for us, we want to support the development of the Chinese pharmaceutical industry. This is a future industry. It's bioscience, it's biologicals. It is very strategically a very important industry. And with our collaborative project, we also want to stimulate in-depth future developments in this very important industry for China. And of course, with the whole concept, in all modesty, we hope that we can participate in the future development of China as the country as such. So with this, I want really to say thank you at this step already to all of you and all of the institutions who have supported us so far. That's first of all Tongji-University accepting our idea. It's a novel idea. It generates a lot of structural discussions, legal discussions, contractual discussions, all that. Of course, if these things are new, there are no pathways developed, so everything has to be developed from the scratch. And I must say I was very much impressed how flexible and how good-willing Tongji-University was in this project. We are very grateful to Lanzhou Institute of Biological Products, part of CNBG. I believe that's for the company a very wise decision to intensify the collaboration with the users in the project like ours. we realize indeed that also the Chinese authorities have approved our concept and have supported our ideas. Again, also for them, everything was new, very unusual concept. But I think with this uniqueness, that's also where the opportunities are. So many thanks to the Chinese authorities as well. And of course, for all the people, many thanks to all the people who believe in our project and who have supported us and have stood by our side in this long, complicated, but I think at the end, very rewarding project. So she, and you can see that we see what we are doing here as part of a greater project. And I can really say that all of us are very proud to be part of this project. Thank you very much. And I hope that you will enjoy our presentations at this important day, that you get more familiar with our ideas, what we are doing with our facilities. So enjoy the day. And I promise you, as soon as it is possible, I will come over and we can all meet in person then and intensify our friendship. Thank you very much.